Hey, yo, fam, Big Dave coming back at you with another hashtag Motivate Humanity Challenge. Day three. Let me ask you a question. If today was just like yesterday, how do you expect anything to be different tomorrow? Your life has been mediocre. It's been flat. It's been plain. Nothing's gonna change unless you change it today. Unless you decide, yo, you know what? Today's the day that I'm gonna start guitar lessons. Today's the day that I'm gonna start teaching the piano. Today's the day that I'm gonna go online and figure out how to open up a web page and start promoting whatever I have. Today is the day, you guys. It's not later. Your yesterday, just like today, just as mediocre as your entire life. Don't be mediocre. You deserve better than that. You absolutely deserve better. Peace.